How to set up and use Gemini on your Google Pixel Watch. With Gemini, you can ask questions, play music, respond to texts, or control your connected home right on your watch. To set up Gemini, press and hold the side button above the crown until you see Gemini on the display. Then follow the steps to set it up. To activate Gemini, press and hold the side button above the crown on your watch. Or, if you already activated Gemini during setup, you can say, "Hey Google." You can add Gemini to any watch face that has complications. Press and hold a watch face with complications and tap Edit. Go to the Complications Edit screen. Select the complication you'd like to change. Then select Google Digital Assistant. Press the crown to save your changes. To learn more, visit the Google Pixel Watch Help Center.